Hello everyone, this video you will learn new topic, new object type for your work in the future. There are the object related on your work in the future. I think about the food is object, food is process. Right? Okay, let's get started. Let me create a new model frame. Okay, rename. Write the full in. Okay. You're going to the tab material flow, resort, full in, right? Okay, click on the tab full in, and okay, drag the fourth object from left, drag down to your workspace, and this one, right, sort, supply the full in to your process, and another is tank, right? Tank down, it's tank. Okay, you have known about how to rotate your object co-align in the horizontal. I can use Control Shift button and left, right. Right it. Okay, if you need to adjust your workspace and object rearrange on your workspace, you can use the view, right, the pen view, right. Click on it. Now it's co-align, is straight in the horizontal direction. Okay, if you need to use the connector, right, connect to here, it cannot, right? It cannot. In the fluid type object, you need to use the tube. It's a pipe, you connect. Finish. Use the connector. The connector is pipe. If you release the wheels for you co-align is 2D, right? If you need to release this command, you click again, right? Come back to the 3D. Let me look at the parameter of the object in the workspace. Double click on here. This is the sort for each sort. The sort show us about attribute parameter. Alpha rate. Right now default the value is 1 liter per second, right? 1 liter per second. 1 liter per second, right, is the output from spirit resort supply on your process with 1 liter per second. Double click on the pipe. The pipe is alpha rate, right, at the attribute tab. The alpha rate -1. -1 mean undefined. Undefined. The alpha rate relates on the alpha rate of the fluid sort. Well, it depends on the alpha rate sort of resort. It's defined by -1. You can specific value putting in this band, and right now, okay, I leave this value like this. Double click on the tank. The tank, there are the parameter is the alpha rate and volume. It's volume. This is the tank. Tank is volume. The default value 3,000 lit, right? Lit, and the alpha rate is a rich per second, right? Lit per second. Okay, there are the parameter of the three object on the workspace right here. I will use the default value. I leave all parameter. I'll write the default first. Okay, let me close. And I need to know how this process operate. I think use this one, the event controller, and play. You notice about the scale. This is the volume of the the fluid, right? The fluid in this tank is it scroll up, right? It scroll up, and it's not this process could not release out of this tank because I never connected tank to some devices, right? It closes at the end of this tank. And okay, this is the operation of three objects. I show you again. Let me use three. Right? Go up, stop, right? Stop. It's full is 10, right? 50 second, 50 minutes, right? 50 minutes. 50 minutes is 30. Uh, 3,000 lit. Okay, it's full. Why this process was operated for 50 minutes, right? Okay, you choose the working on here. On here, look at the volume. The volume is 3,000 lit. And so click and flow, and we'll click on this flow. For the feed to this pipe and go to the tank. Go to the tank using 1 lit per sec, right? This is the volume flow lit per sec, right? One per sec, and for fully fully in the tank, right? Fully in the tank use 3,000 lit, 3,000 lit. Use the 50 minutes, right, for fill in the fluid in the tank for in fully it's 3,000. 3,000. It makes sense. It makes sense. How I know it makes sense? Okay, you analyze. Uh, 3,000 divided by 60. 60 is minutes, right? Change the units, the second to the minutes, right? Okay, you can use divider, the division sign out divided by 60, 60, and you got 50 minutes, right? 50 minutes. Okay, use 50 minutes, feed the fluid to the tank for full. Okay, if you change to, okay, if you need to change, right, you must turn it back to the start point again, and it's 100, 600 lit, and okay, and the result I keep this to one, the same, and you can predict right how long your process use for filling in, and okay, it's filling in the tank for full, and how long. Okay. Okay. Let me use this. I forgot, sorry. Use it one. Take it back and replay again. Okay, 10 minutes, right? 10 minutes for full, right? This you can make yourself understanding about this process and parameter. Really, I think it's easier than previous video, right? Okay, I just uh, demo is the demo set to you how to use it to full it object. Okay, next, click OK first. I try to set up another class. If I set up this 3000, turn it back to the default again, and click OK. And I set up the event controller, setting the time to 30 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes, and click control and set up, and okay, you keep constant value from the default is one per second, right? It's uh, 4, right? Volume 4 is 1 liter per second, and this is the delay on outcome from the result, right? And this tank is bigger to be the default value 3000 liters. What happens if I run and look at the operation of this process? You see here? Okay, stop because it's feed 30 minutes, right? It's not complete full tank, right? It is, okay, it's over the middle over the middle volume, right? Okay, it's just if you calculate by yourself, right? Okay, 30 minutes multiplied by 60, right? 60 because 30 minutes multiplied to 60 become to second 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 mean okay equally the lit, right? Because 1 liter per second, right? Okay, you got 1800 liters, right? Okay, just 1800 liters in the tank, right? Okay. So I will use another object in the fluids tab. Let me use the mixer. This is the mixer that dot on here. Mixer. And the mixer. What difference between the tank and mixer? The mixer is attached the motor on the top of the tank. Okay, different from the tank, right? And the tank is not right. We stir right inside out the bed, right, attached with the shaft, and okay, this is stir around inside in the tank. This is a mixer. Let me look at inside of the parameter in the dialog box. There are the output rate for the mixer here, and the volume. Let me use 600. Let me use 600. This one, the time. The time is process time. I use the model and the model for combine and mixing the material go inside of the mixer. Use the bed, the stirring inside of the tank. I set up 60 seconds, 1 minute, right? 1 minute in the interval, and use outflow rate from the mixer. Use it 1 liter per second in the volume 600, and this one. Okay, let me turn it back to 600. The same. Use out for it. Use the one. Simple value. Simple value. I set it up. Okay, easy to look at and learn everything in the basic, right? And simple number is, I think, is good for learning. Okay, click OK, and let me use the tube because I use the connector directly. Connect one to one. In the fluid tab, I cannot. I cannot. I might use the tube for connect the tank and the mixer. Okay, finish. And use the connector here. I forgot. I forgot to rotate this connector of the pipe for mixer. You can use the keyboard, shift, control, and rotate. Here, right here. I keep the forward on off the tank on of the devices, right? The constant 1 liter per sec, right? Keeps constant. 4 is the same in the process. Okay, let me simulate it's a basic the parameter first. Because this one and one condition for the mixer, I set up 600 lit, right? Lit and time is waiting is the tank going to full tank completely first. After that, this tank this tank operating stirring in the tank, right? After full tank happen first, full tank happen first, and if it's not completely full, not yet to stirring in the tank. Okay, this is a condition for the processing time of the mixer object type. Click OK. This mixer is full. After the mixer is full, and okay, keep going, and the volume inside of the tank. The mixer is full first, right? Because it's 1 liter per sec for around two pipe, right? In the pipe, and okay, feed to the tank. The tank is the 600 600 volume, right? 600 volume is go in 1 liter, right? Go out 1 liter, that go out 1 liter. Okay, in the first time in the tank number 2, it not increase the level. It's not yet, not increase the level, right? Waiting the tank number 3 is keep full first. Okay, go up into full completely first, and okay, full and the tank number 3 mixer never have the next station, I take the output from the tank number 3, not yet, it's closed first. That means keep growing in the level for the level in the tank number 3 first. And when fully tank happen, right, around in the tank number 2, accumulate the volume inside of the tank number 2, right? The level will show up, gradually grow up. Okay, the idea is the process, fluid process. And if I use, okay, when you set up and modify some parameter, you should turn it back to the start point again first, and double click on inside the level, the tank, in the tank number two, right? I just to see the output, right? The outflow rate become to 0.5, right? Okay, what happened in the level of the tank? If I set up the new outflow rate, become to 0.5, right here, and the flow rate of the resort I keep it 1 liter per sec, right, and pass to the tank number two. So reduce to 0.5. What happened if I change the parameter in this process? Write this. Okay. You can imagine, you can analyze by yourself, and compare with the result of the simulation. I scroll up, right? Okay, right now, okay, it's a full tank already. Full tank. It's a full tank happen, full tank. And then it's come out, right? It come out. It come out of tank number two, right? It's a uh, less volume flow, less than the volume flow of the resort. Resort is a liter per sec, and right now, and the resort it could not feed the fluid into the tank number two, uh, anymore, because tank number two is full already. It's full already. The result it could not feed more fluid into the tank number three anymore. That means why the program is show up right here, write the message, okay, pop up and explain about outflow of the tank, and the full tank, right, is less than, and the outflow is less than inflow. You want to stop simulation? Yes, stop simulation, and okay, right here. And if you found this situation, you can use another way, right? Another way to solve the problem. If you fill in the sensor, right, the sensor in here, and right, use the folding sensor, right? Okay, folding level measurement, right? Okay, you can use that one, and you can use that way to the simulation as well. But you need to know about coding method first. Okay, I will teach you later how to code the method and use the sensor, measure about level of the water inside, measure of the level material, right, inside. You can use that. And right now, okay, you have known about if you let the tank is full, right, you cannot feed the fluid into the tank anymore. That means you is protect yourself by define the simulation. How long, right? How long you limit by this one, right? Now, and keep the flow rate, right? Keep the flow rate, and because you can use the behavior of this process, right? You can define the end of the time simulation, right? Okay, you protect the message pop up. No problem, message pop up that explain you about right now the tank number two full, and resort it could not feed more fluid into the tank. That's it. Right? It's not a big deal to for you to worry about that. We should try another case. If I change this, we come to 0.5. This percent is a volume flow, change to 0.5, and this come out 1. Okay, swap the value, right? Alternating the value, result and tank. What happened? you can analyze, right? This means it's outputs output from tank number two, and quicker than this, is faster, right? Output faster, input, right? And okay, the distribute the distribute the volume flow. Distribute volume flow is faster than resource, right? The info is slower than it's out, right? Slower than it's out mean when this need is more than in for less than out, right? In out it means okay, feed to another station, another tank is a mixer, and this one okay, never have the water, never have the material inside anymore, because it is the okay, the put out is put out is more than put in, right? That means why the program pop up error right here. Right here it makes sense, because input less than output, right? And when output supply to another station and in the tank and never have the water anymore, because it's very slow in come in the material inside of the tank. Okay, so stop, right? So okay, let me change to one, come back. Okay, go back to one again, and okay, we set and replay again. Look at here, full, right? Full, and they keep going, grow up, right? Okay, it's full. Okay, right? One supply inflow, and this outflow is one, same, right? Okay, never have pop up error anymore, because it's balance process, right? Between devices. If you change the flow, right, become to 0.5, right, it come back to this and come back, and accumulating, right, accumulating both, right? Okay, accumulating is both tank, okay, both tank accumulating, because it's very slow, right? Come out and come in is 1% and faster than output, right? And output is filled in the tank, right? Fill in the tank, and this and the remainder of the water after you take out to the tank number three already. But okay, the less the water built in, right? Built in inside of the tank. That means why the level is grow up right here. Right? Okay, again you can, right? And okay, okay, you look at double feed, right? Okay, double feed, that means okay, right? It's script over, because it's shorter time, right? Shorter time, this script, right? And that means cost to the simulation is very quick done, right? That means if you need to keep the detail between the simulation, right, you should take it out, and normally you must click on here, right? And this case, special case, I just try to turn off that option first. Sorry, double click on here. Okay, very slow, because never have the clip over function, right? Okay, clip accumulation in the level of the water, right? Okay, and set up back, click reset. Okay, this is the behavior and the parameter, and what happened is the message show up, right? Okay, you can understand, all the behavior, and you can try by yourself, right? You're playing around of the parameter by yourself, you can. I will fill in another object more in the process. I use this portion. It's portioner. It's portioner. It's portioner. It's this one. It's portioner, right? Uh, right. The package. It's a packaging with the fluid. Right? Fluid is come in, and this machine packaging uh, become to the button one lead in the one button. Example in the one button, right? The packet. Oh, okay. Feed the fluid come in the portioner, and the portioner packaging become to another package, right? The package is feed to another station, next station. Okay, you can use tube, this tube. Okay, it's not. Let me delete it first. Not good. It's not co-align in this. This line is co-align in this. The horizontal set, right? I use this and here. Click on here. Okay, good. Finish. In the fluid tab, mostly use the pipe for connect one device to another device. Right. Use the pipe. It's not the same as the material for in the process, industrial process. And use tube for fluid object. And connector, don't forget to connect the connector here. And let me use the material for the conveyor. Take the conveyor. Okay, finish. This line, let me set up a little bit parameter inside the parameter, and this one amount per mu. I mean 1 liter, right? 1 mu per 1 liter. I told you before, and take 1 liter fluid, right? 1 liter package to the one button. That means one button per 1 liter, right? And feed along to the conveyor. Right? Okay, I keep the default first. And let me use the connector. Double click on here, setting, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, right? And control. Okay, I keep the same value. Okay, I forgot come back to a variable parameter. Okay, let me reset first. Double click on here. One balance is process. Balance is process. Use the same volume flow. This one, one. This one, one. And this one, I need use 200. This one, 200. Further, finish, mixer and tank. Again, oh sorry, use this one. Fade. Okay, completed. Reset first. Let me change because 200 is I think it's the number is over. I think use enough for 100, right? and okay, easy to calculate the number of the button. I imagine the package is the button, right? Okay, the package is button. It's become to 100 and set up and use it. We go for unlimited. Okay, stop 100 lit, right? Number of the output button should be 10. Should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. I forgot it. 1 lit with one button. 100 lit, 100 button. Okay. Okay, I made a mistake. I told you a mistake in the number of the output, right? That means it's 10 and it's more the waiting feed out, right? Okay. Made it feed, right? Eh? It's more than 10, right? Because 100 is correct. Sorry. How do you make your process to display the value and value output, right? The output value should be shown in this process by using the user interface, right? Or before user interface, right? Before that, you should have the drain, right? You should have the drain receive the product, right? Output product from the conveyor. Let me reset first and connect to here with the output and go to the user interface tab and backdrop the display, right? The display and don't forget backdrop to here the number of the output products. Right? And double click on the event controller, right? Okay, faster. Okay, stop at 100, right? Stop at 100. Okay, 200, right? And because I continuous freeze, always freeze forever, right? Because they were set up the end, right? Okay, freeze. One cycle, 100 products. Another is add up to 100, add up 300, right? Okay, depend on the container volume of the tank. Okay, let me turn it back. Okay, if you set up the tank uh, contain 200, the output become to 202, right? Because depend on the container, because it's 1 lit for it, so 1 lit per second. So another function, if I come back to full it tab, another function, right? Right, the pair, this pair is the opposite function. This one is portioner and this one the portioner, right? Okay, the invert. This one, right, is the portioner receive the fluid and out to the bottom the package, right? To the solid, something like that. And this one decompressioner, deportioner is come in, write the solid, right, the button, write the package, right, or out for fluid, right, fluid, out for fluid, or something. Okay, I will show you how to use that. Use this tool. That use I use the object. I did the object. How I set up the parameter inside. Right? Okay, look at this operation. I will use the material flow and supply the solid, right? Supply solid. Okay, supply the object, right? Write the container, write the part, right? And okay, right here I imagine I set up right the button. Let me use the conveyor. Finish. Conveyor. And over here, this deportioner out is come out by fluid, right? Okay, come out by fluid. That means I will come back to the fluid, right? I come in, I take the container and the tank, right? Sorry, it's not container, it's tank, right? The tank come in. Right, the tank. Okay, right here this side for output. I say out for it, right? And this is the input, right? That means I need to return. Okay, rotate to uh, 180 degree, and connect this station in the fluid tank. You must use the sorry the pipe. Okay, sorry. Okay, finish. Connect connected. Set up the parameter inside. I will use 100 enough. Click OK, and the number amount per mu 1 lit, right? One object 1 lit. I keep on here 1. I set up here 100, right? I just supply feed the object, feed the part to this procedure, this process. Use 100, and 100 is going to the tank. It come to full tank completely. Right? Okay, let me 100. And I think it's just 200 for because show up half of full tank, half of full tank. Okay, here close. Sorry. Okay, done. Half of tank. Level is half. The half of full tank. 100. 100. Turn back. If we need to use some object, get the output for it from tank, you can use this. out, right? The receive output for output liquid from here. Connect tube. Connect the tube here, here. If you need to, okay, curve about your tube, curve, right? Either the tube curve, you press control, the control, right? And you notice about it dialog box pop up between you drag on the works wall the area and it show up radius. Radius you need to create the tube radius is 1, right? And the tube is and the tube create the 90-degree tube, right? The joint curve is a 90-degree. Okay, one become two, one finish, okay? And not yet control, right? One, right? So stop here and that, right? You release your control button, okay, here finish, right? You try by yourself here. It's a curve pipe, right? Connect, not yet, right? Okay, yeah, that's you. Okay, the connector. Okay, this is same done because I define the 100 object, right? Feed to your process, right? Your process, and this is 100 liter, right? Fill in a half of the tank, and right now this process take the output from the tank feed to the output, right? And this output is received on all of the part, on of the amount of the reach, right? And that means it didn't show up anymore because the feed to the uh, output on of that. Okay. Okay. You notice the two process using one raw material. That's it. One material. Feed to the system is your process, right? And use just only one raw material. If some case, if some case you need the raw material more than one material. Maybe you need to use one type of the material, and you need some material else coming to the mixer. It's a mixer tank, and combine together. Use the stirring bed. Okay, use stirring bed. Right. Okay, mixing together, combine together. It's come out new product. Come out new product. It's very good, right? Okay, the mostly in the oil refinery, photo oil refinery, use that system, right? Okay, for build up a new type of the gasoline, right? Okay, show up for you. Into the picture, right? Gasoline, right? Gasoline generally is one material, right? Uh, Combine and mixing the ethanol become to the new product, right? New product. There are new product is the one run the gasohol 91 gasohol 91, right? Okay, use the rate of mixing combination use ethanol 10% and octane 91. Okay, the basic is the binary of gasoline. Binary gasoline, right? 191 mixing with the uh, ethanol 10%, and we come to the new product gasohol 91, gasohol 95, right? Gasohol 95 base of the gasoline 95 combine or mixing ethanol 10%. Use the color, right? The orange, right? And this one E20, E2O, right? E20 use the 9. The priority is the gasoline 95, mixing with the ethanol 20%. Use the brown color. 90% is the new product, right? The brown color. And finally is the E85. E85. E85 is the use nice ethanol to 85%. Represent this kind of the gasoline, new gasoline. Use violet, right? Violet color. It's violet color. Okay, if you need to use the pen simulation, right? It's model, right? The 3D model, how to mixing the two kind of type, right? Two kind of type, other gasoline, right? Okay, generate the new one by use the mixer. Okay, stirring and mixing something inside I didn't know about. How to mixing, how to mixing, how to use the how many how many ingredient is component, right? Fill in the tank, become to the new product. Yeah, I just simplify the system. I need my purpose, right? Okay, just show you about how to use that model. Use this model to create the model using the material more than one raw material, right? How to use this, right? If some case you need to more than one material feed on your process, right? I show you how to use that, how to use the idea that for matching to the fluid system, the fluid tab right here. uh, Let me save this first, its own one, save and use new model frame and create the prototype. It's PTT oil, PTT oil refinery, oil refinery. First of all, you get know about this object first. This object important for define the type of the material, raw material you use. Double click on here. Okay, this is the table default. Default name material, the one of something you need more in the your product. Okay, this is one default and color. The color is the okay represented by the type. One type is the color, one color. Another type different color. You can define the color, right? And for this case, I will design relate on the type of gasoline. Right? 19 use green. One oh sorry 91 green and 95 orange is the E20, E20 use the brown and this violet for E85, right? Okay, this is on here and okay I will it's not allow us for editing inside of the table. Okay, you just go into here, intent, inherit content. right? Okay, force me is not allow us revise something in the table cell. Right? Okay, let me keep it off first. Okay, right now it's turn it off already. Allow us click on here. Gasoline is a binary gasoline. Use okay. I didn't know about the density of the gasoline type by type. I didn't know. I let me use the basic 100, 1000. Okay, then you see it's gram per cubic, right? Cubic centimeter. What color gasoline represent to? I didn't know. Nobody use red, right? I think I remember when I fill a gasoline in my car, I use the color red for this color red, right? It's red. This basic gasoline is a primary gasoline, right? And this one I use uh, gasohol, right? Uh, gasohol. One ethanol, right? Ethanol, ethanol, ethanol. 91. Okay, same. Uh, green, green, ethanol, ethanol, ethanol. 95. Orange. 95. 1000. 95. Orange, right? Orange. Okay, orange. Okay, orange. Ethanol. 85. Actually not 1000, right? Okay, if you uh, search on the internet, right, you can fill in it correct the value. And right now I just focus on the process, right? How to use the some parameter, how to use more than one raw material, right? And feed to your process and mixing together and okay, come out new product, right? That's it. Eight, eight, nine, eight, nine, 885, sorry. Oh, violet. Violet. The last one, E20, brown. E20, 20, brown. It's brown. It's over here. Here. brown. And last one, you should fill in the original ethanol. Original ethanol. Pure, right? Pure ethanol. Okay, not just combined, not just combined together with the gasoline, basic gasoline, right? Okay, and this one is the output. E91, E95, right over here. The fourth type of the new product, right? This is the new product from mixing, from the combination and mixing about gasoline with ethanol. Okay, relate on the percentage of mixing, right? Of the ingredient formula, something. Okay, I use this right, the color blue, right? Okay, this peel, this peel. This code, the code of the color, right? RGB. RGB define the color type, and this one the color is red, defined by this number. Okay, and this time don't worry about this, right? This is the code of the color. That's it. And okay, you perfect in define uh, the color match on the type of the gasoline, right? Or and advertise match and match together already, right? Okay, I will bring you to here again. Click on here. Right? Right now I ready to use the free tab, create the process, right? So for the multi raw material, right? Uh, in this case, here, this one is resort, right? Resort, and another mixer. Or let me use it, a mixer, and last one use the drain, right? The output. Create this process, create the pipe. This one should rotate, right? Control shift and rotate right here. Output, right? Point to drain, input point to the source, right? And for it resort, use the pipe, right? Okay, this is the adjustable parameter for the type, right? I click on here, here, and shift and control, right? Control the one made, right? Change to radius 0.5, 90 degree. Okay, and shift again 90 degree, 0.5, and go here. Oh, it's not right, and the 2D, right, it's shifted, the horizontal shifted a little bit chip, right? Oh, let me abort. Okay, the new. Okay, click on this, the pen, the panning wheel, and okay, click again. pipe here. Press Control. Click on here and press Control. Click on here. Press Control. Keep Control. Press. Keep pressing Control in your keyboard. Click on here and release your hand. Okay, hand out of the keyboard. Out of the keyboard, right? And click OK and finish. Hi. Keep Control. Control and hand out. Right? Hand out the keyboard and click in. Finish. Okay. Turn off pending view. And use the connector. Connect. Control. Okay, click again. Control. Here. Control. Oh, it cannot directly to here. You must use the tool and the pipe. Right? Click. Right? Finish. Okay, pan view. Okay, turn off. Back to 3D viewer. Right here. Double click inside of the parameter dialog box. Over here, you must use the time processing. The processing time for mixing 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Right now, you need to set up uh, the raw material type feed to your process related on the table. Right? You're going to use the information flow control your process. Right? Double click on here, and right now the material needed on the fluid material table, right? And okay, you're going to use this table instead. Feed to here, or press on here, and you use copy gasoline in the table, right? Okay, gasoline here. You copy here, copy. Or if you remember how you use the letter and the word is correct, right? And you remember how to write the gasoline letter by letter is correct, right? You fill in by yourself. Uh, okay, click on here and press apply. Click OK. Click OK. And back to here. The gasoline is the ethanol. It's purely ethanol, right? Double click on the object, right, and pop up. This is the dialog box for setting the parameters specifically. Specific is the parameter you should drag drop to here the same of the gasoline parameter, and this one ethanol, right? Okay, ethanol. Apply. Okay. Let me try. Double click on the event controller and the turn back. And okay, it's a very fast, right? Uh, you see here, the back. Okay, red and blue, red and blue going to here. And why is the output? It didn't come out. It did come out the output, right? Okay, let me check the output. Because should be the color needed on the default, right? The table is the cyan color. It's cyan color should be go output from the tank mixer, right? It should be use this color because it's the default. Because this time I haven't yet set up the type of the new product gasoline, right? And then it should have the output, right? Check it now. It's connector. Okay. Oh, there we have the connector here. Let me connect right here. Uh, ah, okay, done. It's perfect. That is the output, right? I'll turn back again and play again and go up 50-50 because right, and this feed out, right? This is put out to the output, right? And come back again, in for inside, right? For inside and fill in the tank and half, right? You have 50-50. Not I have yet set up, set up about the ratio. Okay, reset. Let me set up the output, right, and set up the ratio, right? Okay, you see here, and gasohol 10%, right, 10%, and gasoline 90%, and ethanol 10%, right? Okay, you see, ethanol 10%, and the basic and the primary gasoline 9%. I I use this technique for assign the ratio of the component. These are the component of the gasoline new product. Now fill in here and flow. The flow, I think this is the gasoline, right? Gasoline 0.9. Apply, and this is the ethanol. Ethanol is just 0.1. Click OK. And this out the gasoline, right? 91, and the gasohol 91, right? It's 91 clean. Ethanol 91. Right? You remember in the name. The name here. Double click on here. That dot this table here, and this the product, right? This is product. product ethanol 191 apply. Ethanol. Sorry, I come back. The name is wrong. Copy. Reset first. Double click on here. Okay. Apply. Done. Uh, Reset and run. Come out green. Come out to clean and waiting is the processing time use stirring about inside for mixing to raw material here, right? Okay, done. This time it's not automatic. It's running. Change the type of the new product. Right? Change the type of gasoline, another different type. And right now, if you change another type, you should set up about here again and set up the color by manual. Right, by manual in this time. This is the concept, right? The basic knowledge, and we come to the advanced. In advanced, you use the method coding. Coding define the name type, the new product name type, right? How many the ratio gasoline and ethanol, right? And change automatically if you set up the button in this area, click the 85 and automatic control rate of the component, right, to the tank mixing, and out we come to the color represented by the type of gasoline, right? And that means automatic generate, right? And this time, okay, you just use a manual to generate this form. Let me use okay, I click on output, click close, uh, close, right? Close. Okay, let me use this ratio, right? I need to click on, I need to use uh, ethanol 20, gasoline 80, right? Gasoline 80, ethanol 20. I am not sure. I'll check it out. 20. Uh, yes, this one. Ethanol 20. Ethanol 20. And ethanol 20. And primary gasoline 95. Sorry, 80, right? 80. The name is oh, octane 95, ethanol 20, right? Maybe if we consider about the 100%, should the benzene should be 80, right? 25. This the name. Is the name. Uh, 95, right? Okay, I click on here and 8 basic. Sorry, 8. and click here, 2, right? In the manual, and this one change to uh, 20, right? 20. Click and double click on here, and zoom in and zoom out. Oh, sorry, back here. It for brown, right? Oh, it's correct. It's correct. Okay, the percent is a ratio, gasoline and ethanol, right? For 20, E20, something like this. In 20, it's brown color. That's it. Okay, that. Uh, Last example, right? If I need to use um, 95, 85, 85, 85, right? 85, 85, this one. The ratio is ethanol, 85, right? And benzene, primary benzene or gasoline, 0.55%. Sorry, 15%, 15%, and the benzene, right, or the gasoline. Okay, close it. Double click on here. Benzene 0. Yes. Okay, this one 0 ratio, and this one is fine. Oh, right. Ratio and ethanol is more than the primary gasoline, right? And output 85, E85. Okay. Right now the basic, right, in the folate. Okay, I think it should be done. Uh, I need to you about make yourself understand about everything in the basic, right? If the future, you if you have learned about the method coding already, you will need to rearrange all of this depend this model should be running automatically, right? Automatically, it not use click right manual, right? Right there, right? Okay, right now to the basic, and you have known about uh, if the process running, right, should be automatic running, right? Because it got stuck about and very tedious about clicking one by one and set up the parameter, right? That, right? Okay, okay. Let me reset. Click OK.